Here is a string of Holiday Essence branded 100 miniature Christmas lights. I've never heard of this brand before. I have no idea if this is a brand or an OEM or if it's just a cheap piece of junk. I bought this string in particular because these are painted or opaque or frosted or whatever you want to call it lights. I only had I think 3 or 4 different options to choose from. These were the cheapest ones, so I started with these. I bought these with a very specific purpose, which is to relamp an older pre-lit tree. This is the tree. We've had this tree since I think the early to mid 2000s. And this is the only instance where I've ever seen this. This tree has a handful of opaque white mini lights mixed in. There's plenty of just regular clear white ones, so there's more and more clear white ones because as they burn out I've just been replacing them with regular clear, but there's probably about half of these, maybe 50-50 when we first got it. And every year I was always very particular to make sure I kept all the bulbs changed in this so that these would last as long as they could, since they're very unique. And when I moved out, I guess my mother must have used this for a couple of years and she didn't change the bulbs, and so now the whole thing burnt out. I did a fair bit of searching to try to find lights like this, and I didn't come up with much. This was one of only 3 or 4 results I came up with, so hopefully these are decent. According to the box, you can connect up to 5 sets together, which is kind of interesting. Usually it says only 3. Though electrically I think 5 makes more sense. 2-way flashing, whatever that means. Spare bulbs and fuse included. If one burns out, the others stay lit! As if that's some kind of, rare, non-standard feature nowadays. It says very important. Okay. Please read all cautions carefully to reduce risk of fire and electric shock. All cautions and directions are listed on the directions safety sheet located inside this package. Please read and save these instructions before using the set. Don't tell me what to do. Caution. This lighting string is rated 40.8 watts, 0.34 the amps. Do not overload. Don't tell me what not to do. So this is, I guess this is a lower wattage string, and that's why it's saying 1.5. It's not saying 1.5 anymore. It's saying the total is 1.8 if you plug 5 together. So this is a lower wattage set than some of the other ones. It's not loading up to 2.4 like I think it could be. It's still keeping it at 1.8. And then it recommends an insufficient number of lights and stupid DELs. For some reason you need fewer DELs than mini lights. That's just a dumb scam. All right, let's get into the package here. All right, so right out of the box, I can tell these are super cheap. The frosted coating is horrible. It's all chipped off. Almost every single bulb, it's got chips off of it. So these are super, super cheap lights, which is disappointing. The date code is 8/20/24, so they were made last year. They're 2.5 volt bulbs. I don't know if the UL numbers would give an idea of the OEM. We'll see, it's got a pretty respectable lead wire length though. That's quite a bit more than what you usually get today. That's almost as good as how it used to be. Yeah, that's quite reasonable. But then the spacing, on the other hand, is kind of abysmal. I'm not even sure that's 2 inches. The spacing is about, it's about 2 1/4 or 6 mil, or 6 centimeters, 60 mil. So easy to convert that. So pretty ridiculous spacing length. Where is that safety instruction sheet? I wonder if that says anything about the OEM. Here's our spare bulbs. Even inside the package here, they're still in terrible condition. Oh. I'm just curious if this says an OEM or not. Does not seem to. Alright, let's plug it in. Nah, these don't look the same at all. These look more like an incandescent appliance bulb that's inside frosted. These don't look like the old lights on this tree did whatsoever. In fact, I don't even really like these lights. They're kind of got a weird, almost like a cool white, like a 3000 or 3500K color temperature to them. I don't think this is going to work. I think I'm going to order some of the other ones, because the problem is I'm going to go through all the time to relamp this, which is a very tedious and unenjoyable process, and it's still not going to look right. So I think I'd rather try another set and see if I can get something that's better. There's a good chance that these are all made from the same OEM and they're all going to look the same. They're just in different boxes and are different brands. That's a very strong possibility, but it might be worth giving it a shot. I could tell, even just from looking at it, that these are going to be totally different than what these were originally. These are pure white. They look like a regular, like a C9 or C7 painted bulb. Now these are chipping off too, but this is almost 20 years old probably. This has an excuse. And in fact, some of these bulbs are still in better condition than that one that just came out of the box. Yeah, you can see the blackening around the bulbs. These are all burnt out. That's what happens when you don't change the bulbs and they start to go out, one at a time, and then the voltage goes up and then they all go out. Alright, so I'm going to consider these a fail for now. I'm going to order another set and see if it's any better. Hopefully we can come up with something that's reasonable. I really would like to get this going again. I remember this thing vividly and it looks pretty nice.